Hi friends, welcome to our channel AGN Videos. In this video, I'm going to share some interesting facts about COVID-19 with you. Fact number 1. Anosmia, loss of smell, is a symptom. Most commonly reported symptoms of COVID-19 include fever, cough, and shortness of breath. However, as the disease has spread around the world, healthcare providers have noticed a few unusual symptoms, including loss of smell and decreased sense of taste. Fact number 2. People should not wear masks while exercising. Masks may reduce the ability to breathe comfortably. Sweat can make the mask become wet more quickly, which makes it difficult to breathe and promotes the outgrowths of microorganisms. The important preventive measure during exercise is to maintain physical distance at least 1 meter from others. Fact number 3. Coronavirus evolution. Scientists first identified a human coronavirus in 1965. It caused a common cold. Later that decade, researchers found a group of similar human and animal viruses and named them after their crown-like appearance. Fact number 4. Exposing yourself to the sun or temperatures higher than 25 degrees Celsius does not protect you from COVID-19. You can catch COVID-19 no matter how sunny or hot the weather is. Countries with hot weather have reported cases of COVID-19. To protect yourself, make sure you clean your hands frequently and thoroughly and avoid touching your eyes, mouth and nose. Fact number 5. Can you always tell if someone has COVID-19? The virus can be in someone's body for up to 14 days before they get symptoms, and some people will have such a mild case of COVID-19 that they might not notice that anything is wrong. That's why it's important that everyone follows government advice, including hand washing, using tissue to catch cough and sneezes, and avoiding crowd to stop the spread of viruses even if they feel healthy. Fact number 6. Antibiotics cannot prevent or treat COVID-19. Antibiotics work only against bacteria, not viruses. COVID-19 is caused by a virus, and therefore antibiotics should not be used for prevention or treatment. However, if you are hospitalized for COVID-19, you may receive antibiotics because bacterial co-infection is possible. Fact number 7. The COVID-19 virus cannot be spread through mosquito bites. To date, there has been no information or evidence to suggest that the new coronavirus could be transmitted by mosquitoes. The new coronavirus is a respiratory virus which spreads primarily through droplets generated when an infected person coughs or sneezes, or through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose. To protect yourself, clean your hands frequently with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap and water. Also avoid close contact with anyone who is coughing or sneezing.